Number 5. Here is a chart where mention some point like bookshop, church, taxi rank, fire station, school, lots of things. So what's our target? Our target to mention write 2 different ways to get from the school to hospital. So here is school and we should go to hospital. How we can go? So lots of way we can go. Like first we can start number 1 way. So school to north, then we will go taxi rank, cross, then left, or we can say we can come in here, then taxi rank cross, after crossing east, this is east. So school, taxi rank, star point, and then east, hospital. And second way, how can we can meet school to hospital? School, then we can go east, then we can write east up to coffee shop. Just before coffee shop, north, move, we will get hospital, right? Very simple. So 2 way we can go. First way is school to taxi rank cross and then east side hospital, and another way is school before coffee shop, then petrol station, then hospital. Okay, so number 5 done. Number 6, fill the map to show this object: a tree, a pond, a pot, a gold, some bushes, a river with a breeze, and a person. So lots of things are in map. So our first question, write the 4 cardinal points. So 4 cardinal points are, we can write the 4 cardinal points are, it should be north, south, east, west, right? East, west. This is the 4 cardinal part. So if we mark like compass, it's a west, it's a east, it's a north, and this is a south. Okay, we can write should be clearly. Okay, now our target to make fulfill the map. Here is, write 2 sentences to describe the position of the objects on your map. Use 2 cardinal points for each sentence. For example, the tree is west of the bridge. So suppose here is bridge and tree is in here west, right? And south of the pot of gold. So south, it means in bottom, it's a gold pot. So like this way we have to write 2 sentences. This case we can write we can write like the tree is west of the bridge and south of the pot of gold. Against this one we can write the person is north of the bushes and we can write east of the river, east of the river. So we can draw this one. So person is north of the bushes. So suppose we can write river, suppose a river in here. So river, the person is north of the bushes. Suppose this is a person north, it's a person and bushes in here, and east of the river, right? So we can need some change. The bushes, a person, the bushes, north of the bushes. So it means this is the bushes and east of the river. It means east of the river. So person and this is a river. So the person is north of the bushes and east of the river. Very simple. What next we can write? Another sentence. The bushes is east of the pond. So we can say, suppose here is a pond, right? And south of the gold, south of the gold, south. So this one we can mark in between bottom, like in here and here. We can say the bushes is east of the pond, east of the pond. It means this is pond, and south of the gold, this is a pot, gold. So lots of way you can mark this one. It's not important, choice is your. So we can write second one is like the bushes are east of the pond and south of the pot of gold. So different way you can also make this one. Here how many things we make, like a person, it's a 1 point, a person, bushes, river, right? And so randomly we can put, suppose this is a person, this is a bushes, and this is a river. Okay, then pond, you can put pond in, like here is a pond and pot of gold. If you want you can put gold. So if you want to write from here, suppose you can write a person is east of bushes and also east of river, or you can say the bushes is east of people and west of river, right? Anything you can write, anything. This is choice up to you. You can write as per your choice. And also first you have to put the option or object to the map. So number, this one is a number 6 done. 7, challenges. Here is mentioned draw a ring around the angles that are greater than right angle. Greater than right angle, it means angle greater than 90 degree, right? So this one is a greater than 90 degree. So here is only one. Cross the angles that are less than right angle. So less than right angle, this one, this one, this one, this one, right? So red color, red, it's a greater, greater, and this one is a smaller or less. Okay. Now number C, explain what this angle is, how it is made. So this is a straight angle. This is straight angle. This is straight angle. It made when two rays from a straight line measure exactly 180 degree. So we can write like this way. It is made two rays from a straight line measuring exactly 180 degree. Okay, so number 7 done. Number 8, here is a map and our question is use the cardinal points north, south, east and west. Write the position of 6 things on the map. Look, first we can highlight the pond. This is a pond and we can write the pond is in the center of the park with the sandbox to its west. This is it's a pond and this is a sandbox. Okay, and this is a west side. So first one done. Second one, the slide is southeast of the pond and south of the sandbox. So look, this is a pond and southeast slide, right? And north or south of sandbox. Okay, next, the tree is in the northeast corner, is north of the sandbox and west of the pond. So where is tree? Look, tree is in the northeast. Okay, it's the northeast, or we can say north of the sandbox. It's the north of the sandbox, and then west of the pond. Look, and also here west of the pond. It's a what? This is the northeast. It's the north. It's the east. Right? Everywhere is tree. Now also the benches are east of the pond and south of the northern trees. So look, the bench of east of the pond. This is the pond and east, right? This is the benches. And then south of the northern trees. South of the northern trees. Next, the ducks are inside the pond, which is east of the sandbox. This is the duck inside pond and east of sandbox. And finally, the path with the benches runs north to south along the eastern side of the park. The path is, this is the path, eastern side of the pond. Okay, so there are lots of way you can solve this one. It's up to you. You can write lots of things. Suppose if you want, you can also write a flower is east or west of pond, right? You can include this one as the number 7 or any number. You can replace this one. So number 8 done. Last part of this unit, it's a map. Here is something we can note. This is a treasurer, this is a tree, so we can mark treasure. It's a tree, it's a hut, it's a mountain, and this is a ship, right? And it's a compass. Now look, the dash is west of the treasurer box. So this is a treasurer box and west part is tree. The hut is dash of the treasurer box. It's a bottom, it means south. Okay. Now where are the mountains? Mountains are the north of the treasurer box. So we can say north of the treasurer box. Okay. Next, where is the ship? Ship is the east of treasurer box. East of the treasurer box. Walk from the tree towards the ship. In which direction will you walk? We will walk east. Okay, so number D done. And our final point, add 2 more objects to map. Write instruction to get 2 objects starting from the tree. Use all 4 cardinal points for each object. We can put a flag, right? Then we can write from the tree, go to north to the mountains, then walk east towards the treasurer chest, next move south past the hut, finally go west to reach the flag. Okay, next option, you can make a wall. Object 2, from the tree walk east towards the treasure chest, then go north to the mountains, next move west towards the ship, finally head south to reach the wall. Okay, so thank you very much for being with me. After this, our chapter has completed. It's a very important, angles and movement for learning. It's an interesting chapter. I also enjoy this one. I hope your child or your friend or your student will enjoy this one. So should keep practice at home and more and more. Thank you very much for being with me. Please subscribe my channel, which is Saad Educare. Thank you.